Good morning.
Good morning. Today's day 4.
Yes, it is.
And you're waking up in the Maldives.
Yeah, it's beautiful here.
It's so sunny out today.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go get some
We're
breakfast.
gonna get some breakfast.
Free breakfast. Diamond members. I got French toast. How beautiful it is.
A little more leftovers. We're getting a fish right here.
Nice. So beautiful.
Small fishes coming.
There we go. Check it out. Check
Okay,
it out.
I'm ready.
Check it out.
Oh, wow. I heard him.
Yeah, leftover. There you are. Let's go around this way.
I moved the whole.
Waffles, there's toast. That over here. Bacon, sausage.
For omelette to the room.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, I thought this was just for fun.
Now it's a whole room in here. Wow. How about that? Yeah. Here's your cereals you like.
I wonder where cereals were.
Yeah, right here. Your yogurts. Yeah, yogurts. Toppings. Lots of salad. If you like the salads. Okay, some fruits. Whoops. Foods. Thank you so much. Very nice.
Here's where you can create your own art. I think Emily would really like this. Different things you can make. A place for children. And for the adults. It's so beautiful here. What you thinking, sweetie?
I love you. There's your ocean.
There's my
Let's
ocean.
go by here to take your picture.
Stop.
Hi, honey. How are you?
Good. Been around without me.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you want to go together?
Whoa. Look how nice and beautiful it is. 360 degrees of
There you go. Okay, here we are
Here we are.
in the Maldives.
So nice.
Yep. You have a visitor.
Let's go look at the workout center first, because it's here, right? Fitness, and I can get a video of it. It's cool in here. Ah, you can walk here and look at the beach. That's a nice equipment. This is the spa, right?
Yep.
Right over the water. See your treatment on the water. Wow. Wow.
She said you can go look at the relaxation area.
Oh, let's go look at that. How much does the spa start at?
$193.05.
Oh, okay. That doesn't surprise me. The relaxation area. Can I stay in here?
I would think it'd be only for guest use. I don't know. It might let you stay, yes. I bet it's after, so it might be at least for days. Just think. See them building that island a little closer. Don't step too far.
And fall in the water. Do you see fishies?
Yeah, little bitty ones. They're about the size of a little bit half the size of a sardine.
Oh,
Tiny ones.
relaxation area. There is no fee if you just want to come into the relaxation area. So I'm gonna sit here while Tim works out. Because it's so beautiful. And they're cleaning our room. Today's happy hour menu. And I ordered the cocktail. And we have olives and nuts. And another beautiful view. You in the picture?
Yeah?
We're having dinner.
Yes,
the
we
beach.
are at the beach. Now reverse it and show them the beach. Part. Okay, you gotta do it again.
Dinner on the beach. So pretty.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Our tables.
Dinner, yeah, literally on the beach. Yeah. There you go. Now go here.
So pretty.
Hello, Cindy.
Hi. Today's the end of day. Let's try that again. Today's the end of day 4.
Day 4? Really?
Day
It's that
4.
fast? Darn, it's going too fast.
Yeah, day 4.
It's nice being here.
So we're still in the Maldives. We woke up in the Maldives today.
Mhm.
So that was nice.
Mm-hmm.
And then we went to
Breakfast. It was a wonderful breakfast. It was a huge buffet.
huge buffet. A lot of different kinds
Over
of
the
food.
water, beautiful, lovely.
It was really, really
With
nice.
champagne and mimosas and such
French
and such.
toast.
French
There was
toast.
French toast that they made to order.
Yeah, and I had waffles with chocolate chips and hazelnut sauce.
And
that
eggs
was really
Benedict?
good. Yeah, and eggs Benedict. It was very nice.
It was very, very nice. Then after that, we came back to our villa
Mm-hmm.
and swam in our pool.
Mm-hmm.
was
And we
really
swam
nice.
in our ocean.
We went out to the beach and swam with there for quite a bit. It was actually pretty quiet out there today. It was really
it was
nice.
Yeah, you'll see the video.
Yeah, I was really surprised.
Mm-hmm.
And then we had happy hour.
Happy hour at 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. And then we came back to the villa and took a nap because I was tired.
Mm-hmm.
At least I took a nap.
Yep.
And then we went and had dinner
On the beach.
on the
Yep,
beach.
On the beach.
It's a beautiful dinner.
Mm-hmm.
It was an expensive dinner.
Yeah, $77 for a piece of half a piece of chicken. So,
We got the chicken breast, and it came with,
ridiculous
potatoes.
prices, but they're fine.
yeah, I think it was $45 for the plate, and we just shared the chicken.
Yeah.
And honestly, it's not a lot of food, but it was fine for us
Yeah.
because we had happy hour and
Yeah.
we weren't really that hungry. But
Yeah, we got snacks in the room. We haven't touched them because we've been pretty full from breakfast. It was just huge, and then a snack at 3. We've been pretty full all day.
Yeah.
We're fine. We don't need really. We still bought dinner, but we really probably didn't need it.
But it was nice to sit on the beach and have dinner.
Yeah.
I did like that. That was beautiful. I've not done that before.
Mm-hmm.
So we had dinner on the beach, chicken, and then we got water tonight because I thought, ooh, it's only going to be $4 tonight for the water. And I'm not going to get the soda because it was $7 for a can of soda. The bottle of water was $15.
$15 for a bottle of water.
Yeah, and that's just for the regular bottle of water. That wasn't the special bottle of water. That was $15. It would have been cheaper to get 2 cans of soda.
Yeah,
Coke,
it's silly. They're
yeah.
charging us silly prices for food.
I
here.
should have looked. So definitely look and see how much the water is. Because last night a bottle of water was only 4
4.
at that restaurant, but it
Same
was
bottle now on the beach is 15.
15. Yeah, strange, really strange. And we have like 4 bottles of water that they bring us
Yeah,
every day
they
in our
keep bringing us
room.
more, so we're just gonna stockpile of water here in the room.
We just can't bring it with us when we go to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's just $15 for a bottle of water seemed like a lot. So
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
dinner was $77, including taxes and gratuity, which they automatically add on, which is fine.
Mm-hmm.
So today we spent a total of, well, we had $200 for the room because it's $200 a night
Okay.
for the points I had to purchase,
Yep.
and dinner, so $77. So $277 today.
There you go.
I will say we do have the $200 credit
Mm-hmm.
that we will apply towards our food that we eat here. So out of that, our food will be zeroed for tonight, and we'll have $123 left over for the next 5 nights.
Oh, it's expensive already.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep, perfect.
Okay. Well, that's fine. And so, great talking to you, and we'll
See
talk
ya.
to you again soon.
Day
Bye-bye.
5.